afternoon, everybody. This is Stockpunk. We've got about 2 minutes left in the trading day, but I'm done trading for the day. I was done about a half hour ago, actually. Actually, an hour ago. Probably should have been in towards the close here because things worked out quite nicely. Wanted to go over a few of my trades and some of the structure that I saw today. Made a lot of mistakes. Had a few successful trades that made up for those mistakes, thankfully. So start off with a gap fade that would have been successful had I played it right. This is actually the close of yesterday. Those three bars are aftermarket, but I got in about right here and watched it till it clicked right onto the close of yesterday and held on, thinking it was going down even further, and then that big bar came out and stopped me out at break even, and so I made nothing on that trade. I should have made some good money on that. Stupid. We kind of battered around a little bit and then made a big move down and move up and then a larger move down, and I knew, oh, that looks like wave 3 of something, so I went back and counted a wave 2 and a wave 1 and then thought this was wave 4, so I shorted right here and took my profits right there, and I thought that was pretty cool. And then I took a long trade here thinking we were going up to the 20 period moving average because that was the move back. We had a momentum divergence, and I thought this was the end of the Elliot Wave structure, and then I held. Whoops, that's the end of the market. Close that out if I can. Okay. That was frightening. Anyway, it wasn't until this point here, after I lost all that money, that I thought, oh, this may be a bigger Elliot wave than I thought. So I went back to the third wave, and there's 2, and there's 1. So we have 1 wave down, 2 wave up, 3 wave down. Oh, okay, that's what's going on. So I got long right here, looking for, actually it was right at the top of that bar there, thinking that we were going up, and then had my stop really close with a lot of money risked, and boom, stopped me out right there, and I got so disgusted I didn't get back in, and of course it made its target and beyond. So I decided with these 3 dojis, okay, it's time to get back in. I jumped back in, going short, looking for the market to tank again, and then boom, that big green bar nearly took me out. It actually blew through my stops. I was gritting my teeth as that thing just slammed up there, and then finally started coming back down, and we started moving down again. So fortunately my stop didn't trigger, otherwise I would have been blown out of that trade. I probably would have been done for the day. But we moved down, moved down, moved down. My target was actually the low of the day. We went way past that. I got out about right here because I was wimped out, and should have known. Okay, that's the end of wave 5. Perfect Elliot wave, going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that was time to go long again with a momentum divergence down there and play for at least a moving average up there, even further. You can see it went further. I wimped out. I couldn't take the trade. I was happy with what I made, so I quit for the day right about there and just watched it go up like I thought it would. Another dummy trade for me. So that was the structure for the day. That's how I traded, and that's Stockpunk.